Hey, welcome to SAR Trail. I'm Jeff, and we're doing a product review today on camping chairs. And if you camp, travel, overland, one thing you know for sure is that you need something lightweight, and you also need something that folds down and gets small. That's a big problem with a lot of camping gear, is a lot of it is just big and bulky, some of it's even heavy. So we went with the Marchway camping chair. We're going to do a full review on this thing now. We've used it a couple times. So if you want to see more overlanding camping reviews and family-oriented stuff, subscribe to our channel, SAR Trail, and hit that little bell in the bottom corner so you can be notified every time we post something out. We do uploads every Saturday and every Wednesday, so be on the lookout for that. So we picked out this Marchway camp chair for a couple real reasons. One, for us, if it's not comfortable, it makes no sense. If it doesn't have a place to lean back and put your head, then for us it makes no sense. And if it's bulky and heavy, it makes no sense. The last chairs that we were doing were enormous and really heavy. They were really comfortable, but enormous and really heavy. It just didn't make sense to go that route any longer for us. So we looked around, we looked at the Kelty chairs, which are really lightweight, comfortable, but crazy expensive. So we found these Marchways, which are the same kind of design, basically the same weight, and the same size, same comfort, same compactness when we fold them up. So we thought we can save a lot of money and get these, and get basically the same chair. Sorry, there's mosquitoes. Basically get the same chair for way less money and the same quality product. So I want to show you this chair first off. I'm 6'1", and I got room to sit here comfortably with my head supported, and got some arm support on the sides, plenty of lower back support. I mean, the whole thing conforms to your body, but they're very comfortable and easy to get in and out of too. You don't sit so far into them that they're hard to get out of. But I want to show you what it looks like to now unpack one and set it up. We're going to do it in real time so you can see that it doesn't take very long at all to set one of these bad boys up. Okay, hope you guys are enjoying the scenery. We are up on Mount Evans in Colorado. Beautiful, beautiful spot. This is one of our favorite spots, right up here along this river. There's tons of water flowing everywhere. But back to the chair. Here's the Marchway bag it comes in. You can see the size on this thing. Very small. It weighs just a little bit over 3 pounds. Packs up really small, really lightweight. Handles on both ends. And it has this mesh right here. So that way if your chair gets wet, you can then, it'll let some air to pass through so it'll dry a little bit for you. So, pretty simple process. Just unzip this thing. And you can see the mesh right here. So it gives you some ventilation. If it's really wet, you're going to want to dry it before you throw it in here, but it at least gives you a chance to have some drying while you're out, if you have to pack up real quick and get moving. All right, so this is what it looks like here. You got your chair back and your legs and your backing. So Natalie, if you can hold that. And we're doing this whole thing in real time so you can see the setup, that it is super easy. And all of this just does kind of like tent poles. They got the elastic on the inside, guides them right in. So that's one side complete. Show you the other side here. And what we're going to do is we're going to give you a link in the description box to this chair where you can go right on Amazon, click on the link, you can purchase this chair and get this for you and your family as well. But you can see now the setup. This is your back, this is your front, and these are your 4 legs down here. So let me show you how it sets up. It's super easy. All right, so first things first. Back up. I've been told to back up. Is that good? All right, so first things first, hopefully you can hear me, is you put the back in. Let me turn it to the side so it's easier to see. So first things first, put the back of your chair in. And so you can see it. There's these holes in the back that these poles slide right onto in both sides of your chair, right up at your headrest. Next thing, you have these little pockets down at the bottom that the poles slide right into. And I'll lift it up to show you. But these poles slide right up into here. And this is where it's a little bit tight, but certainly manageable for anybody to do. Our daughter Bailey, 7 years old, she can put one together, so That'll give you an idea. A little bit tight, but it just goes right in there. And that's it, your chair is set up. I don't know what the real time is on that, but pretty short. Got your Velcro strap. We usually strap it to itself so it's not hanging down in the dirt. And then you got your chair all set up. And you can kick back and relax. Okay, so we've changed locations now. We're up at Imogene Pass near Telluride, Colorado. But you know what? No chair review or camp chair review is complete without showing you how to take it apart and put it away so you can get down the road and get it all packed up. So I wanted to show you that in real time. So check it out. It's super, super easy. First thing you want to do is pop out the bottoms or expose your frame. Take your seat back off. That you can just lay down for right now. And then these things, same way we put them together, we're just going to take them apart. And you always want to fold them to the middle. Take them apart, fold them right to that middle crossbar. That middle crossbar doesn't come out, so that one stays the whole time. And you're just going to bring everything right to that guy. These guys are no different. And then the other one. While I'm doing this, I'll tell you a little bit of the history about where we're at. Up on Imogene Pass, we're up at the old mining town, just over 11,000 feet. We camped here for the night. We're going to be hitting back on the trail and get moving. But we camped here. Beautiful, beautiful place. It's an old mining community. They had a school, they had medical facilities, a general store, kind of like a restaurant, of course, housing for all of the men and women that worked up here. All right, so there you go. Everything's folded up. You got this Velcro. I'm going to put it right to the middle so we can get it nice and secure. So there we go. That's what it looks like. And then with your tent, you're going to start to fold it up. So we're going to start from the top where your head back is, and then we're going to roll this way with those poles inside. When we get down to the bottom, we're going to tuck these in just a little bit, just to make it more narrow. So we're going to start this right up here and just start rolling it. Get about halfway through, tuck these guys right on in and roll down over them. And that's basically what it looks like. And then we're going to take it and drop it into this bag. It helps if you have a little table to set this on, but I'm going to show you that you can do it just freestanding as well. And you got your zipper that comes around. Like I showed you earlier, really nice mesh. So if your chair does get wet, it'll breathe. But there it is, Marchway. Check it out. There's a link in the description box below, straight to Amazon, where you can buy these. It's a super, super good price on these things. We've used them a bunch of times. We are sold. They weigh 3 pounds. They fold up in minutes. They set up in minutes. And they pack away to a really small thing. So it's a good upgrade for us from where we were before. Thanks a lot. Please do us a favor. If you need to see more overlanding and camping videos, more family adventure, more family oriented content, subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up. Press that little button in the bottom of the screen to be notified every single time we post something for you guys, every Wednesday and every Saturday. Thanks a lot.